Well, hello, my fruity cutie sexy booty. What's up? Okay, I gotta work on that. Hello, my fruity cutie with the sexy booty. That's officially what it is. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you what I eat, what I'm going to eat during the week. This is everything I'm gonna eat this week. We're gonna start with the watermelon situation. So I got one giant, that's like 45 pounds right there. Okay, I'm gonna show you, I got another very, very large watermelon, and I got a yellow watermelon. Did you know that yellow watermelon is actually the original watermelon color? Amazing, right? While I'm here, I just finished a workout, by the way. I just finished teaching a workout on Zoom, and while I'm here, you got to see what I got in my arsenal. So Awa's mom came from France. She got me this new cooler bag, okay? She got me this new sippy cup. Okay, I got a candle holder from Awa's sister. She gave me this new water bottle bag. Like, do you have a watermelon water bottle bag? Say that 5 times fast. I don't think so. I really don't think so. And then she gave me something else, but now I can't remember what. What is it? I don't know. Okay, let's get back to the situation. As you can see, my house is a little strange. But it is what it is. Okay, we also have some coconuts. I think I bought 25 coconuts. Yep. So I got 25 coconuts there. And I'm going to open the fridge in a minute, but let me just finish showing you. I got some Ataulfo mangoes, a perfectly ripe pineapple, which has to go in the fridge today. I got some of these, I forgot the name. Can somebody... what is the name of these mangoes? Nam Doc Mai mangoes, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, I got some of the oranges. I got breadfruit, which I think I'm going to cook, actually, because breadfruit raw, I don't really like it. Got a honeydew. I got Awa's mom flowers and this aloe because she loves aloe vera. She literally has like aloe vera deodorant, which I didn't know they made. She also has aloe vera toothpaste and stuff, which I didn't even know that existed. Okay, now to the fridge. We got our mint and our basil, and this is how I recommend you keep them. Okay, you put it in a cup of water, and then you put a Ziploc bag over it. Okay, I got a green juice that I'm going to get into from yesterday. By the way, the house smells like a French bakery. I think they just made croissants. Okay, so if I can stay raw in this French bakery, trust me, you can stay raw. I got more mangoes. I got a giant mango over here. I got some passion fruit for my water, papaya. I got a cut-up jackfruit here. Some lychee. They're putting chocolate on my shelf. Okay. Cut-up jackfruit, more jackfruit, half of a watermelon, lychees, these donut peaches, which are the only donuts that I'll ever eat, and they're phenomenal. Oh, they're so good. I got some white peaches too underneath there. I feel a sneeze coming on. Hold on. Okay. I got cucumbers, zucchini under there. Some Israeli cucumbers behind me. These are the Israeli. Okay, I got my favorite cucumbers, which is the Kirby's. I splurged and I got some sunflower sprouts, which I love. I got a salad from yesterday. I didn't finish all of it. Lots of romaine, lots of green leaf lettuce, butter lettuce. I got some other random greens in here. Arugula, kale. I got all the herbs, green onion. I got dill. I got, cilantro, all the basics. And I think that's it. Oh, I got sprouts back there. And you know what the saddest thing is? For some reason, I have to go on a jackfruit cleanse because for some reason, I forgot that I ordered, and the top shelf is my roommate's, but I did get her some tomatoes and mushrooms and salad and these snap peas yesterday. So she's going to be eating good this week. And for some reason, I forgot that I ordered 2 jackfruits from my friend the other day. So now I have way too much stuff. So I'm hoping that Awa's mom is going to really, really love jackfruit. And this is the last thing I bought for the week, which is the unsweetened toasted coconut flakes. You've seen them here before on my channel. They are so freaking good. The only ingredients is coconuts And I love these in my nice cream, on my nice cream, underneath my nice cream, on top of nice cream, on the side of nice cream. I love them. So that's my only like junk food for the week that I'm going to eat. Everything else is obviously fresh, ripe, juicy, and delicious. Do you see the color of these mangoes? Oh my goodness. Look at that color. Now I did buy these unripe, so this is rare. Everything I buy ripe, pretty much. You know that, because if I don't buy it ripe, it might never ripen. And if you'd like some more tips and tricks on living a raw vegan lifestyle, then may I recommend Raw Vegan Excuses Part 1. Part 2 is done, and it's just being reviewed by Amazon. It'll be on Amazon soon. But before you get Part 2, I would highly recommend you check out Part 1. Now, Part 1 is the top 30 reasons why we struggle with eating a raw vegan diet and the solutions. So, highly recommend this book. Obviously, it's my life purpose, my life work, and my life goal to inspire you to eat more fruit instead of dead animal body parts. Oh, I forgot to show you that I also have lots of bananas in the freezer. Okay, so I'm fully stocked. Oh my God, this is the other thing she got me. So Awa's mom got me these ice packs. Come on now. Like, do y'all have fucking watermelon ice packs? I don't think so. If you'd like to send me something, I'll leave my address below. As you can see, I collect watermelon things, and it's getting serious. And one day my whole entire house will be watermelon. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.